Hey guys, it's Jeremiah with Teardown Systems, here to show you guys our A.R.M mount. It stands for Antenna Relocation Mount. And we started designing this after we got our antenna from Cat Antennas. And we really wanted an easy, simple solution to be able to mount onto our harness. Our harness has MOLLE all the way to the back of the shoulders, which makes it unique compared to most harnesses out there. So this makes it so that instead of having an antenna, coming off your radio right here, you can route it through our entire harness to the rear and now have it mounted up higher where it'll get better signal, but also it's out of the way and you're not going to hit it or anything like that. Just makes it really nice. So I'm going to take this off and kind of show you how this works. All right. So say you have your relocation wire here, and you have your A.R.M. Basically, how it works is the features of this is it's kind of like our PTT caddies where you have your piece of Tegris and your shot cord. The difference is down here we have this loop. This loop is actually for your antenna. So you're going to stick that in there and then actually just screw that right on. And what that does is kind of capture it vertically up and down, but it also creates an extra seal there because there is a gap. We run these on our XTS 5000s and it just functions really great, holds it on there tight. We use a really hard 12-layer Tegris to keep anything from bending or anything like that. It keeps it really well positioned. And as you can see, you'll basically tie 2 knots here and then cut it off, and then it'll be mounted onto the rear of your harness. This just allows to, position your antenna in a much better position, as well as just get it out of an already cumbersome area where your rifle's slung over, you might have a satchel over you, you have all those radio wires, and this just allows you to kind of clear up that clutter and gain that mobility back without snapping your antenna off with your elbow or anything. As well as some people might be a little concerned with the antenna being up here that it could snag because of the bungee and because of the way it's mounted on the shoulder. When it comes into contact with stuff, it will just move out of the way and won't just snap. Whereas like down here where it's hard mounted onto your radio and there's no give or anything like that, very commonly they do snap. And maybe you should carry a little bit of an extra antenna with you when you're out there training and stuff like that. So anyways, this is just a little bit of a solution that we wanted to bring to the market because we wanted one. So sometimes these solutions are for, because people ask, but sometimes the solution is for yourself because you want to be able to run it in a different way than what you see out there on the market. So again, huge thank you and to Cat Antennas for this awesome product. They work phenomenal and work just how they're supposed to be. So again, this is the A.R.M mount. Thank you. Train hard, serve others, Teardown Systems.